YouTube. So today I have a new package from eBay. Well, it was shipped from eBay. I don't know what it is, but I could go to one of the firewalls. So I'm gonna open it right now. Boom, boom. And it's a keypad. It's a Honeywell Home 6290W TouchcCenter keypad. It's a touch screen, and that's going downstairs. So, this is what the box is. Here's the back of it. So this is going to be going downstairs on that, the intrusion wall that we have down there. So, I hope you enjoyed this, like, small update video. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.